Hello, we'll discuss a short lab which basically would cover AI for business, and it's a general understanding of what AI is. So artificial intelligence has numerous applications across industries including healthcare, finance, transportation, customer service and manufacturing. It can enhance the efficiency, accuracy and productivity of many aspects of an organization's activity. However, it does not raise ethical considerations and challenges related to privacy, bias and right. So what we'll do is first we will look into the overview, the learning outcomes, understand what AI and what it can be used for, recall key AI terminology, products and regulations would be involved in there, right? Review the concept on AI, test your knowledge in the lab and stuff like that. So intelligence has many definitions. Something with intelligence can abstract, plan, learn, understand and apply logic. It's also connected with self-awareness, experiencing emotions, solving problems, reasoning, creativity and critical thinking. So artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that would previously have required human intelligence. So AI involves algorithms and models that enable machines to learn from data so that they can recognize patterns, make decisions and solve problems in a way that simulates human cognitive abilities. Once the systems have assessed enough data and had enough learning opportunities, they can often perform these tasks more efficiently and effectively than humans. However, this depends entirely on the quality of the dataset and that they are learning from. Many terms are used in news reports and articles about AI. Some of these may be unfamiliar to you or sound very technical. For example, algorithms. An algorithm is a set of well-defined step-by-step instructions to solve a problem or perform a particular task. It's like a recipe or a plan that guides you through a series of actions logically and organized. So algorithms are used in many fields, from computer programming to everyday tasks, to achieve a desired outcome or result. They help break down complex problems into smaller, manageable steps that can be followed to reach a solution. These are important differences between an AI algorithm and a traditional algorithm, given that AI algorithms are designed to mimic human intelligence and handle more complex tasks. The main differences are that the algorithms can learn and adapt from data. In contrast, traditional algorithms operate based on predefined rules and fixed instructions. So that's the difference between AI algorithm and general algorithm. AI algorithms can automatically improve their performance over time as they process more data, while traditional algorithms usually require manual updates to enhance their performance. So traditional algorithms may need to be modified to accommodate changes, whereas AI algorithms can adapt to new changes. So in summary, AI algorithms extend the capabilities of traditional algorithms by incorporating learning and adoption, enabling computers to perform tasks more closely aligned with human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, and making informed decisions based on data. So what are data sets? So data sets are structured data collections for training, testing, and validating machine learning models and other data-driven algorithms. So a dataset consists of multiple data points or observations, including images, text documents, numerical measurements, audio recordings, or any other data type. What is machine learning? So machine learning uses data to learn and improve model performance from an initial starting point. Forming part of AI, large data sets are provided and used by machine algorithms to look for patterns assisted by human interaction. So large data sets are provided and used by machine algorithms to look for patterns assisted by human interaction. The algorithm can train a model and make predictions. For instance, you may apply machine learning to a large data set of financial transactions to identify fraud indicators. To learn more about the different types of AI systems, complete the first lab in AI fundamentals collections, which can be found here. So we can do introduction to AI and we can start doing the lab there. But before that, what we'll do is we will so what AI currently do? So we need to know what AI currently do. So AI can analyze and interpret visual and auditory data for image and speech recognition. It can identify objects, recognize faces, understand speech, and transcribe spoken words. It can use these techniques and many more in a range of applications such as chatbots and visual assistants. What are chatbots and visual assistants? AI can process and understand human language. It enables chatbots, visual assistants, and language translation services. AI can also summarize text, extract information, and perform sentiment analysis. Wow. AI powers virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These assistants can answer questions, perform tasks, and control smart devices using voice commands. So, what are the autonomous vehicles? So, AI plays a crucial role in self-driving cars as well. It helps with objects detection, path planning, and decision making to navigate safely on the road. Recommender systems, AI algorithms can analyze user preferences and behaviors to make personalized recommendations such as movie recommendations on streaming platform or products, suggestions on e-commerce websites. Fraud detection, AI algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies in large data sets to detect fraudulent activities in banking, credit card transactions, and insurance claims. Medical aids in medical diagnosis by analyzing medical images such as X-rays and MRIs and providing insights to healthcare professionals. It also assists in drug discovery and genomics research. Gaming, AI used in game development to create intelligent and adaptive opponents. It can also learn and improve its performance through reinforcement learning. Financial analysis, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data, predict market trends, and assist in automated trading and risk assessment. And in cybersecurity, as well as all of the above, AI can also apply to cybersecurity, including AI algorithms that can detect and respond to cyber threats, identify patterns of malicious activities, enhance biometric security, and protect systems from various attacks. It's important to note that while AI has made many significant advancements, there are still limitations and challenges in areas that require complex reasoning, common sense understanding, and however, AI continues to evolve and ongoing research and development aim to expand its capabilities further. So, what AI products currently exist? There are a lot of AI tools on the market. Here are some of the interesting examples that could be used in range of organizational contexts. DeepArt.io allows users to transform images into various artistic styles using neural networks, which are models inspired by the human brain to aid marketing professionals in their design. Runway ML is an AI development platform that offers tools for image synthesis, style transfer, and other image generation tasks, allowing users to experiment and create visuals using AI-powered algorithm. NVIDIA's research in generative adversarial networks (GANs) has resulted in several image generation tools. For instance, NVIDIA's StyleGAN and StyleGAN 2 models can generate high quality and realistic images by learning from large datasets. DeepDream, introduced by Google, modifies images to create surreal and dreamlike visuals. ChatGPT is an AI language model designed to engage in conversational user interactions. It can understand and generate natural language response to various prompts and questions. Virtual assistants like Siri, Apple, Alexa provide voice-based interaction and perform tasks such as answering questions, setting reminders, playing music, and controlling smart devices. So, what is currently regulatory landscape? The laws around AI vary across different countries and regions. The regulatory landscape for AI is still evolving, and the new rules and regulations are being proposed and implemented to address the unique challenges and risks associated with AI technologies. Regardless of individual countries, there are more key aspects related to AI laws that you must consider. Bias and discrimination. There is a growing concern about bias and discrimination in AI systems. This is because AI fundamentally learns from the data it's provided with. If there is a bias in this data, it will be reflected in algorithms and models. Some countries have introduced guidelines or legislation to address algorithm bias and promote fairness and transparency in AI decision making, particularly in hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Again, there is another one which is intellectual property. AI systems can create unique works, which raises questions about ownership. Intellectual property laws may apply to AI generated content, inventions, and algorithms depending on the jurisdictions. If you want to explore the potential of AI generated content, you can try Runaway ML for free. Liability and accountability. Determining liability for AI related accidents or damages can be complex. Laws around liability may vary, but discussions are ongoing about who should be held accountable for the actions or decisions made by autonomous AI systems. Then comes down to autonomous vehicles. Several countries have introduced or are working on legislation and guidelines specifically addressing the use of autonomous vehicles on public roads. An example is in UK, where Department for Transport introduced the Automated and Electric Vehicles Act 2018, which addresses liability and insurance for autonomous vehicles. The UK government has also published Code of Practice for Autonomous Vehicles Testing. Then it comes down to ethical considerations. Some countries are exploring ethical frameworks and guidelines for AI development and deployment. These guidelines ensures that AI systems are developed and used responsibly, addressing human dignity, fairness, transparency, and accountability concerns. Data privacy. Data protection law governs personal data collection, processing, and storage. These laws often apply to AI systems that handle sensitive personal information, ensuring individuals' privacy rights are respected. AI systems may also be exposed to confidential or proprietary company information. It's important to consider that information that AI may access and how it's processed and stores. The first of the three-part data privacy collections is linked below. It's important to note that the legal landscape of AI is rapidly evolving and new laws and regulations are being proposed and enacted. It's recommended to consult the specific laws and regulations of the country or region you are interested in to obtain the most up-to-date information on AI-related legal frameworks. At the time of writing, the EU Parliament is drafting what it is claimed to be the world's first comprehensive AI law. Wow, it's still on the way. So, Westwild rampage is ongoing. So yeah, so that is what is AI. Let's go to the lab. Okay, so drag each statement from the left to the correct element on the right. Abstraction, learning, and understanding are all machine learning models powered by the human brain. So neural networks are basically something to do with this. Let's see if it's correct. Yes. Artificial intelligence learns from this. Bring it down, bring it down. Provide it with, yes. Oh, yes. Artificial intelligence can enhance. Yes, okay. The legal landscape for AI is rapidly evolving. Oh, yes. Machine learning can automatically learn from data. Identify object, faces, and voices are examples of image and speech recognition. Data protection law governs abstraction, learning, and understanding are all signs of intelligence, and data protection law governs. So let me pause here. AI for business or cybersecurity in the next video.